Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, let us do the activity to draw circumcircle of a triangle by using GeoGebra. Objective: to illustrate that the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle concur at a point that is called the circumcenter. It always remains inside of an acute angle triangle on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle and outside of an obtuse angle triangle. Then definition. Circumcenter of a triangle is the point of intersection of all the three perpendicular bisectors of the side of the triangle. So figure 1 it is shown. So here ABC is a triangle and the circumcircle is drawn which touches all the vertices of the triangle. Here ABC is required triangle and point O is the circumcenter. It is the point where the perpendicular bisectors, lines that are at right angles at the midpoint of each side meet. This is the circumcenter of a triangle. Here OK, OL and OM are the perpendicular bisectors of AB, BC and CA respectively. The circumcenter of a triangle O is equidistant from all the three vertices and the distance of the circumcenter from each of the three vertices are called as circumradii of the triangle. Here in the figure 2, OA, OB and OC are representing a circumradii of the circumcircle and hence all are of equal length. Then properties. All vertices of triangle are equidistant from circumcenter. Circumcenter O is the center of circumcircle. For acute angle triangle, it always lies inside the triangle. See the figure 3. Here the circumcenter O lies inside the triangle ABC. For right angle triangle, the circumcenter lies at the midpoint of the hypotenuse. So look at the figure 4. So here O is the circumcenter which lies at the midpoint of the hypotenuse. And for obtuse angle triangle, the circumcenter lies outside the triangle. Look figure 5. So here O is the circumcenter which lies outside the triangle ABC. So these are the figures which represents the circumcenter of all the three types of triangles. These are the screenshots from the GeoGebra software classes. So let us do this activity in GeoGebra app.
Dear students, let us draw the circumcenter of a triangle. And with that center and by the using of circumradius, let us draw the circumcircle of a triangle. So here we will take the GeoGebra app. By using the GeoGebra, we will draw this. So first we'll draw a triangle. So here ABC is a triangle, and we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of each side. As we know that the intersection point of perpendicular bisector of three sides is known as the circumcenter. So first we have to draw the line like this. Then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB, BC and AC. So this is the perpendicular bisector. So let us color this perpendicular bisector as red. So let us draw the perpendicular bisector of other sides. So let us make it red. So these red colored lines are the perpendicular bisector of all the three sides. So they meet at a point. So let this point is D. So D is our circumcenter. So by using the circumcenter, we have to draw the circumcircle. So what is the radius? The distance from this point to each vertices is the radius. So by taking BD as radius or AD as radius or CD as radius and D as center, we have to draw the circle. So first, so this is the circumcircle by taking D as center and BD, AD and CD as radius. So let us change the color of the circle, circumcircle. So this is our circumcircle. So here we have taken an acute triangle. So we can make this as right triangle by moving. By taking the move option, we make it as right triangle. So this is our right triangle, and we can prove that the perpendicular bisector of the three sides meet at point D. Here also D is the circumcenter, and this circle is known as the circumcircle. So if we make this triangle as obtuse like this, so we can draw the circumcircle also like this. Like this is the circumcircle. So in this way we can draw circumcircle of any triangle, that may be acute, right triangle or obtuse triangle, by using the GeoGebra software.